name is Abhilash. I am from Hyderabad. From last 2-3 years, I noticed my hairline is like decreasing. I noticed some baldness. I faced many issues, like I faced some insecurity because of my baldness. Like I was searching for some options. I wasn't sure about where to go and what to do. Then my brother, like who Shrikant, who he underwent hair transplantation at V plant, and he saw some good results. So he suggested me to go there. I consulted the doctor here, Dr. Amit. Uh, well, they are on to their words. They consulted me. They asked me to come for 2 days for this surgery and all. So once it is done, it's been 8-9 months now, and I'm feeling very confident, and I see a lot of hair growth. Here at V plant, they used an advanced technology called MHI, which causes less pain and less blood loss. Uh, Thank you, V plant. Thanks for the results.